Before we start the practice, let's recall this line here is considered the base. It's like the physical quantity without the prefixes, for example meters. And if you have to convert meter to anything like gigameter or megameter or kilometer, that's considered converting to a bigger units. Likewise, if you're going to convert below the baseline here, like your meter change to millimeter or nanometer, these are considered smaller units. So remember, big to small, I need you to remember it's a times, and if you are converting a smaller unit to a bigger units, I need you to divide. Okay, let's start the practice. To make it easy, all the examples here are converting from bigger units to a smaller units, so you need to times. Just remember that. So for the first one, 3.5 kilometer, you're going to change to meter. So you're changing from the kilo to the base here, so it's a bigger units to a smaller unit, so you times. How much to times? So you just look at the power here, times 10 to the power 3, so 3 zeros, so it's times 1000. So you basically jump the decimal place to the right 1, 2 and 3. I require the students to physically draw the jumping so that they will not have any careless mistake. They will know exactly after the 5 there are 2 more zeros, so it's 3500. Okay, another example, 0.0025 gigawatts. Maybe for now you do not know what is watts, but it doesn't matter. The watts is a physical quantity, so you just pay attention to the giga. So it's similar to gigameter to meters, like that. So once again, is giga changed to the base here to watts, gigawatts to watts, so it's a big to small times, because giga is times 10 to the power of 9, so you basically times 9 zeros. So you from the decimal place you jump 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So after the 5 there should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more zeros. So 2, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this way you won't have careless mistake. So next one, 0.4 megajoules to joules. So once again, big to small times 10 to the power 6, which is 6 zeros. So from the decimal place you jump to the right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros after the 4, 5. Okay, 20 kilohertz here. From kilohertz to hertz, big to small, you times, and because kilo is 3, so once again times 1000, so the decimal place is here, so you just basically add 3 more zeros at the back. So how about if the number is very small, like in this case 0.000023 seconds, you're going to change to microsecond. So from the seconds here, which is at the base here, you're going to convert to a microseconds. You're going to change from big to small, so it's times again, because micro is times 10 to the power minus 6. You just pay attention to the 6 because you no need to care about the negative or positive. So times 10 to the power 6, I will jump 6 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So is 23 microseconds. Next one, what if you are going to convert kilometer not to meters, not to the base but to the millimeter? So what you can do is basically to do in stages. So from kilometer to meter, you know is times 3, so 1, 2, 3. And from meters change to millimeter, you times another 1000, 3 zeros, so it will be 503 millimeters. And the last example, 0.045 kilometer change to millimeter. Once again, 1, 2, 3 to change to gram, and then another 1, 2, 3 to change to milligram. So it's 45000 milligram. Now if you can see, for example, what's the use of prefixes? If you were to write this number always in your report or on your paper, this number is very small and you have to write a lot of zeros. It's very inconvenient to write that. So to simplify, you can basically just write 23 microseconds. So that's how prefixes is used to simplify the writing of very big or very small numbers. Now let's practice on converting smaller units to a bigger unit. So it's a divide. So let's start with the first one, 50 milliseconds to seconds. So you're changing from a smaller unit to a bigger unit. So you divide. Milli is times 10 to the power minus 3. So you just need to care about the 3 here. So it's divided by 3 zeros, divided by 1000. So from the decimal place, you jump 3 times. So it's 0.050 seconds. 0.0045 micrometer, you're going to change it to meters. So from micro, you're going to change it to a bigger units. So it's divided by 6 zeros. Micro is times 10 to the power minus 6. No need to care about the negative. So basically that's 6 0. I'm going to, from the decimal place, I'm going to jump 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means after the decimal place, I should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, followed by the 4, 5. So next one, 4 milliampere. I need to change to ampere. Likewise, divide by 1000 because of milli. 1, 2, 3. 0.0040. Okay. And next one, 12 cm, change to meter. This is something you're familiar with. Centi is times 10 to the power minus 2, which is just divide by 2 zeros. So it's 0.12 meters. And the next one, 50,000 hertz here. I'm going to change it to kilohertz. So from here, the base, you're going to change it to kilo. So small to big, I divide. Because of the kilo, divide by 3 zeros. So 1, 2, 3. So it becomes 50 kilohertz. Next one, 4 million watts here. You're going to change it to megawatts. So once again, from the base, you're going to change it to mega. So it's small to a big units. So you divide by 10 to the power of 6. So that means jump to the left 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it becomes 4.0 megawatts. Next one, 5 million bytes. You're going to change to megabytes here. So once again, divide by 1 million. Jump to the left 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 5.0 megabytes. And last one, if you're going to change 500 milligram to kilogram, so likewise you change it to gram first. So milligram change to gram. So you divide by, because of milli, divide by 1000, 1, 2, 3. And from gram, you're going to change it to kilogram. Because of kilo, divide by 1000 again. So 1, 2, 3. So basically there will be 1, 2, 3, followed by the 5. So 0.005 kilogram. So that's how you do the conversion from small to a bigger units.